Hi friends, this is Allie from Allie's Crafts here, and I wanted to show you how I was working through the newest Illustrated Faith devotional kit called Wholehearted. They are sold out of the physical kit, but they do have the digital devotional still in stock. So I would definitely encourage you to pick that up because it's really, really awesome as I've gone through it so far. So the kit does come in these cute little bags now. Love it. Love the little, how it has a card you can slide in there. But I'm keeping a lot of it in here, but mostly doing it in my traveler's notebook. So I have this traveler's notebook cover from Webster's Pages. I have this from one of the previous kits. It matches one of the previous kits, Storyteller. And this cute little clip / felty is from Let Love Spill Over, I believe, and I will link that in the comments below. But again, Webster's Pages. I have a bunch of stuff in here. Some of the stickers. I've got the washi and other coordinating washi, some prayer request cards. I also have some coordinating cards and papers that I've printed out that I'll stick in there. So these are the pocket prayers. And then I printed that double-sided with some coordinating papers. And then these are the memory decks ones. So I'll probably be putting some of the cards in my little memory decks box. But I did print those double-sided as well with the pattern paper just to add some little fun to the backdrop. So the prayer request cards. And then I also printed some of the digital things that you get when you buy the kit. These are available outside of the kit though. And then these are from Tracy Reed Designs. And so I printed them on clear sticker paper like I do with my art starts so that I can cut them out and then put them in my Bible. So lots of things that I'm going to be doing with that. But I put the devotional in here in the front. And it's just really cool, really well designed. I love it. But my only complaint, and not really a complaint, is that there's not a lot of space to write. So there's like little pockets right here, but I get very wordy when I write out responses to my devotionals. So I took some of my newer Traveler's Notebook books that are in the shop and available on Amazon. You can see it kind of coordinates really nicely. And so it just says notes in the front, and I'm going to use these as dedicated notebooks for this particular devotional. And then I also have one here. I'm going to show you how I'm going to do some of this. This is another heart one that I have in the shop, also available on Amazon. And I'm putting some of my Beloved Society ones in there. But because a lot of them are heart themed, I thought I would stick it in this binder just to kind of keep everything together. So that's how I'm storing it all, how I'm working through it. Again, some in my traveler's notebook, some in my Bible. I've already done a couple pages. So this one says, seek him wholeheartedly. Use one of the Beloved Society girls. And then this sticker actually came with the kit as well. This is a background from Bella Boulevard, their digital stuff. And so just really wanted to dive into it already. But I'm super excited to journal this through. And then, again, kind of include some of my prayer requests in my little box. So let me know if you are working through this kit as well. And be sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more like this and want to see a follow-up on how I've been working through the kit in addition to just showing you how I set it up. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.